Hi, good morning. Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Whew, feels good. Okay, I'm excited. Are you excited? What day is it today? Do you know? Today is Tuesday. You got it. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. You got it. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is what? Wednesday. Super. And what month are we in? We're in the month of October. Look at the pumpkins. And guess what? We're almost at the end of October. Can you believe it? It went by so fast. Okay, let's read the date together. Can you read it with me? Today is Tuesday, October 27, 2020. Super good. Okay, and how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? That's right, 26. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. That's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. Super. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? Get up. Come on, dance with me. A-E-I-O-U. Vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark the vowel with the happy face. That's right. Look. Look at the happy face. Should we sing the song? A says apple. E says E says I says I. O says U says I know my vowels. I know my vowels. Yeah, Teacher Christy was making up some words there, huh? Super fun. Okay, now stop, look, listen. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound as in apple. A says ah. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound as in elephant. E says eh. The name of this letter is I. It makes a sound as in inchworm. I says eh. The name of this letter is O. It makes a sound as in ostrich. O says ah. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound as in umbrella. U says ah. Super duper duper. Okay, now let's do the consonants. Are you ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B. The name of this letter is C. It makes a sound k, as in cat. Meow. C says k. The name of this letter is D. It makes a sound D, as in dog. D says D. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound as in fox. F says. Good job. The name of this letter is G. It makes a sound G, as in goat. G says G, G, G. The name of this letter is H. It makes a sound H, as in horse. Neigh! H says The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound M, as in milk. M says mm. The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound N, as in nest. N says mm. The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R, as in ring. R says R. The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S, as in sun. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T. Super, and today we're going to learn a new letter. The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J, as in jar. J, as in jar. J says J. And capital J looks like a big fish hook. And little j is fishing in the basement. Remember? It goes down into the basement. In our writing, we'll learn how to write it soon enough. Okay, now are you ready to play a game? Here we go. It's called jump, because the word jump starts with J. Okay, so I want you to stand next to your chair, and if the word begins with a J sound, you can jump one time. Okay, are you ready to play? Let's play it together. The first word is Jeep. We get to jump. Jug. Moon. Jacket. There's a jacket. Yes. Sun. Cup. Jar. That's a jar. Yes. Jacks. Jump. Needle. Pumpkin. Jet. Jack in the box. Bike. Judge. Camel. Jump rope. We did it! Woo, that was a fun game. We got in some good exercise there, didn't we? Okay, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We're going to review all the blends that we know. Are you ready? They all have a little happy face on them, so that means it's the short sound. Sa, se, si, sa, sa. Ra, 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 ri, re, ga. Make sure to pay attention because they're mixed up a bit. Ga, ge, ge, ga, da, de, da, da, di, ta, ta, te, ti, ta, ma, ma, me, me, ma. Ha, ha, he, he, ha. Job. Ba, ba, be, be, ba, na, na, ne, na, la, la, li. Whoops, le, la, fa, fa, fe, fe, fa. We did them all. You guys are amazing readers. Now we are going to bring some words. Let me get the felt board, bring it over here. Here we go. Okay. Look, there's a little duck that goes quack, 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 quack. And it has, let me go on this side. It has some raindrops. Do you see? Let me bring it closer to you so you can see it even better. Look at the cute little duck. And he's in a puddle of water. And there's a flower, a red flower with a yellow center and a purple flower. And the raindrops keep falling on my head. But that doesn't mean that I will soon be turning red. Cries out for me. And look, the duck, it's Dudley Duck, is holding an umbrella. Purple and green and yellow and purple and red. So if you can read the word, we'll put a raindrop on it. Okay? Is that a good idea? Let me put Dudley Duck right there and let me move to the other side. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean that I will soon be turning red. Crying's out for me. Okay, here we go. What does this word say? Can you read it? Bed! That's right! You guys are amazing. Let's put a raindrop. Okay, here's our next word. Are you ready? What does it say? Did! You got it! Super! It's another raindrop. Okay, next word. Can! Can! You got it. Let's put another raindrop. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Next word. Bus. Bus. Super. Another raindrop. And our last word is, what does it say? Bob. That's right. You guys are such great readers. Thank you for making Dudley Duck so happy. And that's our class for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.